Tomorrow is Overdose Awareness Day, and not only is addiction a prevalent epidemic, it's one that's really getting worse every year.
WDRB's Joel Skipper and photojournalist Tom Round talked to those turning their lives around and explain what it took to get there.
It was very scary, but honestly, that still didn't stop me because I was so wrapped up in addiction. You know, I was really lost.
Jerica Hall looking back on the first time she overdosed in 2015. Since then, she's been to jail, to rehab, and overdosed 3 more times.
And when I started using more, I didn't realize, I thought that I could handle it, and then slowly but surely it started happening over time. Once, twice, third, then the 4th time.
Wednesday is Overdose Awareness Day, a day that raises awareness about the ongoing issues of overdoses, especially with prescription opioids. In Kentucky alone, from 2019 to 2020, overdose deaths increased 49%, and another 14.5% in 2021. Health experts say the pandemic and lockdowns were a big factor.
There is a need to make sure that we're being really safeguarded around those medications and what we're doing.
Many of those who end up taking harder drugs like heroin started with opioids, which was the case with Hall.
Once we do overdose, you know, it is a scary situation, but when you're so lost in that active addiction and you feel like there's no way out, you just keep turning to the same thing.
Community resources through hospitals and health clinics can be a lifeline to those who don't know where to start.
It really is going to take our community to speak about these things. Many times we're not talking about it, and more patients are coming into emergency departments day after day.
Hall is now 3.5 years clean, accepting that each day is a struggle. She now works with other addicts here in Austin, Indiana, with Holding Space Recovery Project and Thrive. Wednesday, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear will order flags around the state be flown at half staff as a reminder of those struggling with addiction and for survivors.
Reach out to someone and tell them, hey man, I'm struggling, because where there's breath, there's recovery. You know, I'm living proof of that.
In Austin, Indiana, Joel Skipper, WDRB News.